Hey guys, Mr. Dixon here. We're gonna do a real quick video tutorial over supplies that you're gonna need for watercolor, starring Zoe, the Chihuahua. All right, get down, honey. Um, so here's what we're gonna need. You might need some snips, just in case you need to cut your watercolor paper down to size. You might need some painter's tape. In the classroom, this is going to be different. It's going to be masking tape, right? Another thing you're going to need is a piece of watercolor paper that looks about this size. This is about postcard sized, right? Um, I'll have those pre-cut in the classroom. Then you're going to need a brush set, right? We have plenty of beautiful brushes. I just got a random canister of brushes. When you live with an artist, brushes just tend to accumulate in the house. Another thing you're going to need is one of these clamshells at the back of the classroom. These are pretty cool. If you'll notice, you've got your, you know, colors and everything, right? Plus, they may have brushes inside. And then, of course, that's the thing. Each brush is going to have a little different of a pattern, right? So the brushes that you grab are important. However, you'll be able to do a whole lot with experimentation, right? Anyway, that's it for supplies. Keep in mind when you're picking paper, if you're ever on your own and picking paper, you need to take a look at this right here, which is the sized weight. You may not see that the right size, right? But anyway, that's you may not see that written in the video the right way. However, the weight, typically, the higher the weight, the more tolerance for water it has. That's very important, right? And the praying paints that we have here, they're not bad. They're really not bad. And here's Zoe again. Hey, Zoe. I would just keep in mind that the brand that you use and the qualities of each watercolor that you use are going to be different, right? It is true, the higher quality paint you have, the higher quality you can create with, right? That being said, we're going to use what we have because there's still some really great things that we can do with it, and I've got a very exciting project all keyed up for you guys. All right, see you on the next slide.